I'm Tanmay Sain, a first year from BBA at JKBS. Each professors are a practitioner of industries with quite a lot years of experience, and when we get to interact with these personalities, make us ready for any tough challenges in our life. I was never a sports person, but after getting to the campus, I met my seniors who were so kind to me by teaching me some games like volleyball, and through this institute I got chance to play matches university level. So if we talk about our internship periods or industrial exposure, JK did for it. Work experience with many MNCs like Yakult and Genpact. The best part of JKBS is that you get to learn from the people who are practitioners in many industries for more than a decade. They help us being industry ready in our future.